Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. This is Deegee Chef from the stables, doing a very interesting vegetarian burger where we use iceberg lettuce as the burger buns and a pea potato patty in the center. We flavor it with mustard, honey, red chili flakes, and have a beautiful crisp patty in between with onions and tomatoes. We serve this with zucchini fries on the side. It's an interesting one. The family loves it. Very, very nutritious and a good way to trick vegetables inside kids. Enjoy that. Cheers.
Partially boiled green peas and one mashed potato. To this, we add freshly chopped chilies and cilantro. Do chop and add the stems of the cilantro. It really enhances the flavor. Chop onions, ginger, and crushed peanuts. The peanut and the raw ginger really makes the patty a whole delightful gastronomic experience. Add salt and go in with your hands. We want it chunky. Give it a tight squeeze and a massage, and breadcrumbs to hold the patty together from breaking up.
The mashed peas and potatoes along with all the spices and the peanuts is now ready for frying. This is the patty that will go into our lettuce burger. Extremely healthy and a vegetarian delight actually.
In a pan, add some oil and fry the patties crisp on both the sides. You will notice we are not deep frying because this is going to be a very healthy one, and also because the peas and potatoes are already partially cooked. The patty is delicate, so handle it carefully.
We had some zucchini, so we marinated that quickly with breadcrumbs, flour, and parmesan, and we do some crisp to go with the burger.
Flash fry in a hot oil, and you have really crispy, tasty parmesan crisp fries.
I have the iceberg lettuce here, which I'm going to cut into 2 equal halves from the center, and this will act as my 2 burger bun patties. We will put a slice of cheese. I have made this mixture with Indian mustard, we call kasundi, with red chili flakes and sweet honey. Put this very liberally here. We will now pick up our patty, which is nice and crisp, on this. Some tomatoes, some onions, some salt, some more marination here, and then this goes on this. This is our vegetarian burger.
Now that's a very, very delicious, different, healthy burger for you as an option. Do try it out.